The tech world has been buzzing with anticipation, and it's finally here. iOS 18. Apple's latest operating system promises to revolutionize the iPhone experience. From the moment you unlock your device, you'll notice the difference. iOS 18 is designed to make your iPhone more intuitive, secure, and powerful than ever before. Apple has listened to user feedback and made significant enhancements. The goal? To create an OS that feels both familiar and brand new. Whether you're a casual user or a tech enthusiast, there's something in iOS 18 for you. Let's dive into the specifics. Apple's attention to detail is evident in every corner of iOS 18. From stunning visuals to under-the-hood updates, this OS is set to redefine how we use our iPhones daily. One of the most noticeable changes in iOS 18 is the revamped user interface. The home screen has been given a fresh look with customizable widgets. These widgets are now more interactive and informative. You can resize them, move them around, and even stack them. This allows for a highly personalized and efficient home screen experience. The control center has also received a makeover. It's now more intuitive and easier to use. You can access your most used features with just a swipe. The new layout is cleaner, with larger icons and better organization. Gestures have been improved, making navigation smoother. Swiping between apps and accessing the app switcher feels more natural. Apple has also introduced new animations, which add a touch of elegance to everyday interactions. These subtle changes make the overall user experience more fluid and enjoyable. Privacy has always been a cornerstone of iOS, and iOS 18 takes it to the next level. Apple has introduced several new features aimed at protecting user data. One of the most significant is the App Privacy Report. This tool gives you a detailed overview of how apps are using your data. You can see which permissions are being accessed and how often. Another important feature is mail privacy protection. This prevents senders from knowing when you open an email. It also hides your IP address, making it harder for marketers to track your activity. Safari has also been updated with new privacy features. Intelligent tracking prevention now blocks even more trackers. Additionally, Safari's private browsing mode has been enhanced, offering even greater protection while you surf the web. Apple has also made it easier to manage your privacy settings. iOS 18 introduces several groundbreaking tools that push the boundaries of what an iPhone can do. One of the most exciting is live text. This feature allows you to interact with text in your photos. You can copy, paste, look up, and even translate text directly from an image. This is incredibly useful for tasks like capturing notes from a whiteboard or extracting information from a document. Another innovative tool is Focus Mode. This allows you to customize your notifications based on your current activity. You can create different profiles for work, personal time, and other scenarios. Focus Mode helps you stay concentrated by minimizing distractions. The new Health app features are also noteworthy. It now includes advanced tracking for sleep, mobility, and overall wellness. The app uses machine learning to provide personalized health insights. These insights can help you make better decisions about your health and lifestyle. To truly appreciate iOS 18, it's important to compare it with its predecessor, iOS 17. While iOS 17 was a solid update, iOS 18 takes things to a whole new level. The user interface in iOS 17 was functional but lacked the customization options now available in iOS 18. The new widgets and control center enhancements are game changers. Privacy features in iOS 17 were already strong, but iOS 18 builds on this foundation. The App Privacy Report and Mail Privacy Protection are major upgrades. They provide users with more control and transparency over their data. In terms of tools, iOS 17 had some useful features, but they pale in comparison to what iOS 18 offers. Live text, focus mode, and universal control are not just improvements, they are revolutionary. Overall, iOS 18 is a more polished and feature-rich operating system than iOS 17. Users will find iOS 18 to be a major upgrade in every sense. The release of iOS 18 marks a significant milestone for Apple and its users. This update is packed with features that make the iPhone more powerful, user-friendly, and secure. For everyday users, these changes mean a smoother, more efficient device. Tasks that once required multiple steps are now streamlined. Privacy concerns are addressed with comprehensive new tools. And innovative features like live text and focus mode change the way we interact with our devices. The implications for the future are also profound. iOS 18 sets a new benchmark for what a mobile operating system can achieve. It shows Apple's commitment to innovation and user-centric design. In conclusion, iOS 18 is a game changer. It's not just an update, it's a glimpse into the future of mobile technology.